Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your American Express account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your American Express account, simply open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar type in American Express login like this, or you can just simply search for americanexpress.com and hit enter. You can see the americanexpress.com is at the first result of Google. Click over there and it says login to my account, whereas this is the homepage of the American Express. Now, to log into your American Express account from its homepage, you can see the login page available over here on the top right corner of the screen. Click on login, and after that you can see both of these pages are same. Now let's close one of these websites since both of these are same. Now, to log into your American Express account, simply enter your user ID over here and enter your password over here. Then after that, you can see it's the card or your which one is your category, either membership, rewards, merchant account, or American Express at the rate work account, whichever may be. Choose your category and click on remember me, and again click on login to sign into your American Express account. Or if you have forgotten your user ID or password, simply click on the forgot user ID or password to retrieve which one of them you had lost. And if you have not yet created an American Express account, simply click on create new online account, and then you'll be taken to the sign up page of American Express account. And after that, you will be able to create the account following the certain procedures. And there, guys, this is how you log into your American Express account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.